Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our i8 Pro Max smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, so we are done with the unboxing. We are done with the checking of its menus and features. So this time we are going to pair it with our smartphone. So we are going to install the support app and check the additional settings for our smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video demo, specifically the smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so let's check the user manual for our QR code. Let's download the app. Okay, so let's check it here. So we have here the QR code. Okay, instead of scanning, let's check it first if what is the name of the application. So the iOS and Android phone users, QR code to download and install the application, search for HRYFine app. Okay, so if you happen to lost your user manual and you forgot the name of the app, let's check if we do have it here in our smartwatch. Okay, so nope. Let's see, we have it here. Usually it is available in the smartwatch, as you can see here, HRYFine app. Okay, as you can see, we have a low battery mode, so let's charge it first and see. Okay, as you can see, we set our smartwatch, okay, in the charging cradle here, okay, while we are installing the support app. Okay, so we don't have the HRYFine app here. Okay, so let's search it here in the Google Play Store. Again, the application is available in iOS and Android platform. So here, let's check it. So from Shenzhen, 65 MB with over 10 million plus downloads. So that's a lot of users here. Okay, so we have some positive reviews here, more on a positive side. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's install just 65 MB, so this will be fast, I think. Okay, and of course the download time depends upon your internet connection. Okay, we are on 9% here, 15%, 21. Okay, again, what we have here is the i8 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, let's wait. So we have a fast download here, and just a few seconds will be done with our downloading. Check out our next video for this one, checking and downloading, okay, the watch faces. Okay, so let's check. We are now on the installation and we are done. So we are now opening the application. Let's see. Okay, so it's now okay. So let's open the app. As you can see, we still haven't activated the Bluetooth connection. Let's see if it'll automatically activate the Bluetooth connectivity. Open. Okay, so here it is asking for a permission. Allow HRYFine to make and manage phone calls. Just allow it. So allow HRYFine to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow. Allow HRYFine to access your contacts. Allow it. And another one is to send and view SMS messages. Allow. Okay, still have another one. Access your phone call logs. This is for the Bluetooth call. Just allow it. Okay. So here it is asking to either register, okay, or sign in with your Google account or email. So let's see if we do have a skip. Seems like we don't have register an account and sign in. Okay, so let's try third party login here, although I'm not really comfortable, but I think we really have to use our third party account to be able to log in, okay, fast. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, we'll get back to you. Okay, we have successfully logged in using our Gmail account, third party login. You can also choose to register with your phone number or your email. So here, another permission. Please enable notification usage permissions, otherwise the message push function cannot be used. Okay, this is for the smartphone. So it is asking for notification access, as you can see here. Let's look for the HRYFine app. We have it here. Okay, toggle it on. So here it says allow notification access for HRYFine. Will be able to read all notifications, including personal informations such as contact names and the text messages you receive. It will also be able to dismiss notifications or trigger action buttons they contain. Okay, so just allow it and go back. Okay, so we have here on the dashboard, we have the healthy, data, sports, and my is for your profile. Okay, sports for the sports section here, data, historical data, healthy for heart rate, blood pressure. Okay, so let's look for the section for where you can add your device. So it's not here, it's also not here, definitely not here. Maybe it's in the profile section. So here, as you can see, device settings. Okay, let's tap on add device. In the process of using this application, needs to access location permission, which is used to scan for Bluetooth devices. So let's see if we'll activate our Bluetooth here. Okay, again, what's the instructions? Using this application needs to access location permission. Okay, it's the GPS. Okay, so let's check location activate. Okay, so that is the app permission. Okay, I guess we're done. Okay, let's go back, let's see. So that's it. So it's now searching. HRYFine wants to turn on Bluetooth. The first one was GPS, so this one allow it. Turning Bluetooth on. Okay, so location service again. So you need to have a high accuracy. Okay, so it's now searching for the device. So we have here a watch. Okay, is this the smartwatch? Not sure. CE67EC. So there's no name whether it's i8 Pro smartwatch or not. So let's check. Okay, let's remove our smartwatch first. Okay, is this the support app or is this the device? Let's go here on our about section. So device, so watch, C67EC 367543, the MAC address. So it is the smartwatch. Tap on it. So it's now connecting. Let's wait. So let's see. Connection failed. Again. Why it is connection failed? Maybe the it creating conflict because we installed the HRYFine app before here, okay, previously. So let's check, let's troubleshoot. If we can fix it, maybe something is wrong with the support app, or maybe another device is connected to our Bluetooth. Okay, connectivity. Let's see. So let's go back. Let's check our Bluetooth here. So we have some watch call. We already have a watch call here. Okay, unpair. Go back. Let's pair it again. Are we going to have a successful connection this time? It's taking some time. Okay, it still failed. Let's go back to our settings here. Let's go back to the apps. Let's see if we do have some issues. Okay, let's look for the HRYFine app. Okay, is it our smartphone? Is it compatible or not? Okay, clear data. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's go back. Check our Bluetooth here. More settings. Nothing is connected. Go back to our HRYFine app. Agree. Okay, another set of. Okay, we restart from scratch. We clear the data, so it happens. Okay, we signed in. Keep running on the background. So let's see. Go to set. HR. Allow. Next. Mine data. Show. Allow. So okay, location permissions, and tap on it. Let's see. Okay, let's see if we will have a successful connection. Okay, so that's it. We fix the issue. Okay, so we have now a successful connection to our support app. As you can see, we do have some troubleshooting and we have successfully fixed the issue. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the tutorial, okay, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Goodbye.